Hello everyone, my name is Aman Pirani and I'm from first semester from BCT and CA from Culinary Academy of India. And right now we are having examination of first semester and I'm making Hyderabad in Murg Korma and fancy rolls and jeera pulao.
Hello everybody, I am Palash Baishya from first year of Culinary Academy of India. Today we are having our external. So in my menu today there is paneer pasanda with chapati and pound cake as the dessert.
I'm Ayush Kumar Singh and I'm making today murg palak, marble tea cake and jeera pulao.
Good morning, everybody. This is Vineet from Culinary Academy of India. Today we have practical exam, so I will be making paneer pasanda and pound cake with fulka.